LED lights are carefully packed for delivery.
LED light production starts with carefully selected raw materials. LED chips are handled inside a dust-free, clean room.
Special wafers are processed to create LED chips.
Microscopic LED chips are formed layer by layer.
Lasers cut the wafer into thousands of LED chips. Machines place LED chips with extreme precision. Machines place LED chips with extreme precision. Each LED chip is checked for brightness and quality. Heat permanently fixes the chips onto the board.
Heat sinks are made to control LED temperature.
The LED board is mounted onto the heatsink. The driver regulates power for safe operation. Every LED is tested for brightness and color. All parts are assembled into the LED body.
Finished LED lights are packed and ready for sale.
Electrical connections are soldered with high accuracy.
The LED housing is tightly sealed for safety.
The diffuser spreads light evenly.
A quick power test ensures basic functionality. Brightness levels are measured precisely.
Color temperature is checked for accuracy.
Flicker tests ensure eye comfort.
LEDs are tested under extreme heat.
Long-life tests simulate years of usage.
Only approved LEDs move forward.
Bulbs are cleaned before packaging.
Final visual checks are done by experts. Packaging boxes are formed automatically.
Each LED is carefully packed.
User guides and warranty cards are included.
Each package is checked for correct weight.
Boxes are sealed to protect the product. Boxes are sealed to protect the product. Each LED receives a unique barcode. Barcodes are scanned for tracking. Production details are marked clearly. Production details are marked clearly.
Individual boxes are packed into cartons.
Cartons are sealed for transport. Shipping information is added. Random checks ensure quality consistency. Finished LEDs move to storage.
Products are organized for dispatch.
Stock is tracked digitally. Cartons are prepared for bulk shipping. Pallets are wrapped for safety.
And where it was.
Forklifts transport pallets efficiently.
Documents are checked before shipping.
LED lights are loaded for delivery.
Containers are sealed securely. Shipments leave the factory. Production continues day and night. LEDs consume less energy. LEDs produce less heat. Durability is tested under stress.
Some LEDs are water resistant.
LEDs light up modern homes. LEDs light up modern homes.
Perfect lighting for workplaces.
Used in commercial spaces worldwide.
LEDs brighten city streets.
LEDs support a greener future. LEDs are shipped worldwide.
LED light production starts with high-quality raw materials. LED light production starts with high-quality raw materials. Easy installation in seconds. Special wafers are processed to create LED chips.
Lasers cut wafers into precise LED chips.
Circuit boards are prepared for LED mounting.
LED chips are placed on PCBs with precision. LED chips are placed on PCBs with precision. Heat permanently fixes the chips onto the board.
Driver circuits are assembled to regulate power. The LED board is mounted onto the heatsink.
The driver regulates power for safe operation.
All parts are assembled into the LED body.
The diffuser spreads light evenly.
A quick test ensures basic functionality. A quick test ensures basic functionality. Brightness and color are precisely measured. LEDs are tested for heat resistance and durability.